Sorry. Oh. Well, it just came in. Sorry, I was just thinking about. Every time I see this hole in the wall. And can you see? That's how they left it for me. Anyways, but even funnier is there's not even a doorbell in the house. There's literally 2 wires hanging out of the wall. So the beeper, when I put this on, I just got it in the mail, and when I put it on, people are gonna be pressing. Oh, my side hurts. It's gonna be every day April Fools. So they weren't kidding when they said this was large. Yeah, it's a polished brass doorbell. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna. Oh man, I'm sorry. That was just. I got the cats are following me. Anyways, I'm gonna go put this up. Came with a neat little gospel track. Christ Jesus came into the world to save sinners. 1 Timothy 1:15. Well, I guess it would, because the I did kind of pick it because of the name of it. Monica now. It's called Adonai Hardware, and it's antique brass, and it came all the way, I believe, from India. So it looks beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna get this put on the house. I don't have a piece of metal hanging on 2 wires that are bare. Oh, well, that's this episode of Cheaper Than Rent. Can anybody beat this at your house? Oh, never in a million years.